In this video, I'm going to be doing a review of the RENPHO Eye Massager. I've had the massager now for about a year and a half, 2 years. It does have an adjustable band on the back, and what you want to do is to actually have the massager fit snugly across your face. Now, the control panel for the massager itself is located here on the right side, and all you have to do is to tap to turn it on. When you turn it on, it's automatically going to start to warm up. It's going to start the massage feature, and you're also going to hear some music. For me personally, I like to turn the music off, and you can make that adjustment here inside of the control panel on the side of the massager. The charge lasts for a long time. But if you do need to recharge, all you have to do is to charge it here, and they also give you the charging cord. The other thing that I really liked is that it does come with its own carrying case. And the reason why I like this is because I'm able just to put it in the carrying case, and I'm to pack it on my leg or in my luggage. And so I've put this in my carry-on bag when I have flown, and I haven't had a problem at all. I'd like to have this with me just to kind of relax at the end of the day. Again, you're in control of turning the heat on or off, the massage itself, as well as the sound. I highly, highly, highly recommend, and I've really enjoyed the RENPHO Eye Massager. And like I said, we've had this for almost 2 years now.